When you miss an RBT practice question, the wrong answer is only the start. The useful part is the review. In this video, I'll show you a 5-step method for turning missed questions into a focused study plan without simply memorizing an answer key. Step 1. Read the whole explanation. After you answer, pause before moving on. First, explain why the correct option fits the question. Then review why each distractor does not fit. This matters most when two options look reasonable at first. The goal is to identify the exact word, condition, or relationship that separates the best answer from the rest. RBT Practice Questions 2026 includes an explanation and a rationale for every answer option. On the review screen, you can compare the correct choice with each distractor instead of seeing only a green check or red mark. Step 2. Label the reason for the miss. Use 4 simple categories. 1. I did not know the concept. 2. I knew the concept but applied it incorrectly. 3. I misread an important word in the question. 4. I narrowed it to 2 options and chose the weaker one. Do not use these labels to judge yourself. Use them to choose the next action. A concept gap needs a short review of the topic. A misread needs slower attention to the wording. A close choice error needs a clearer comparison between the 2 options. Step 3. Write a 1-sentence correction. Do not copy the full explanation. Write 1 sentence in your own words. Use a simple structure. I chose this because, but the better answer is because. Keep the sentence specific. If the question depended on what happened before a behavior, name that cue. If it depended on what followed the behavior, name that relationship. Your correction should be short enough to review later, and clear enough that it still makes sense without the original question. Step 4. Turn repeated misses into a small study plan. After a practice session, group your corrections. Look for patterns in topics and mistake types. Then choose the smallest useful next step. Review 1 weak topic. Compare 1 pair of concepts that you keep confusing. Or do a short set of fresh questions where you must explain why every distractor fails. Avoid making a study plan with 20 vague tasks. A better plan names the topic, the error pattern, and the next check. For example, review 1 concept, answer 5 new questions, and explain each close option before checking the result. Step 5. Retest. Then add time pressure when you are ready. Use fresh questions first. You are checking whether the reasoning transfers, not whether you remember the location of an answer. When you can explain the distinction more clearly, try a longer mixed session. RBT Practice Questions 2026 includes 1,500 original practice questions and 12 repeatable mock exams. Each mock contains 85 questions with a 90-minute timer. That gives you a way to practice the full cycle. Answer, review the rationales, record the pattern, study the gap, and return to a timed mock. Here is the method again. Read the whole explanation. Label the reason for the miss. Write a 1-sentence correction. Group repeated misses into a small study plan. Then retest with fresh questions and add a timed mock when ready. The method does not guarantee a particular exam result. It simply makes each practice question more useful. If you want to follow this workflow inside the app, RBT Practice Questions 2026 is available on Google Play. The official link is in the description. The app offers 3 completed practice sessions before the free plan limit. This is independent exam preparation and is not affiliated with, approved by, or endorsed by the BACB.